How to get free gifts on Temu. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your Temu application is up to date. Right after, you want to head over to the use section right here. Now if you don't have your account logged in, you want to go ahead and click on the login button, and from there you want to make sure that you log in the correct account. Once inside the use section, you can then go ahead and see the gifts button right here. Now there are requirements in order for that button to show up. First things first, you need to be on a required region or on a applicable country so you can go ahead and get the gifts on Temu. Second, you need to become a new user. Now in my case, I'm not a new user here on Temu, so I've already claimed the free gifts right here. But basically all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the gifts button right below the your orders button. And from there you can go ahead and get your gifts by doing the instructions stated on your screen. For example, these instructions include inviting some of your friends, sharing Temu with another person, or just getting your code out there. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.